I like to keep all my speedball underglazes in this little plastic container. I've got one here. And I just give it a spray with water every now and again if they dry out a little bit. What I love about speedball underglazes is that sometimes they're really thick, so you get to water them down a lot. You get a lot of use out of them. But sometimes they can be a bit gluggy, like if you look at that one. So I'm just adding a little bit of sodium silicate and then give it a stir. Might need to add a little bit more water to this one. And eventually it ends up, once you've stirred it for a bit, it'll end up nice and silky smooth, easier for brushing on. As you can see, I've already done these couple here where they're more silky. It's like you get twice the amount of underglaze in a bottle when you can water them down so much. See, that's starting to look nice and silky smooth now. It's a great time saver having them in these little boxes. Not opening bottles, getting some out, wasting some. I find it's just been amazing.